Hello guys, today we're gonna review this battery jumper starter. Comes with this air for basketball for bike. Comes with this USB-C charger and this hose for the tire inflator. So let's take a look. Turn it on. Press it on and it will tell you the charge. Let's turn on the light. Light comes on there. And the pump, if I select M, then you can select the pressure you want it. Once you have it, that's the power. Right there. So it has an auto shut off, so which is good. It's pretty light, not too heavy. Comes with this carrying bag, and this is where you will plug the starter or the jumper. It's good. It's still hard to remove. Like, got different mode. And strobe, blink, and off. So you can also charge different stuff in here. It comes with USB, and if this is a not sure how much battery it has, or the capacity of the battery, I should say. Doesn't really talk about here. Anywho, this will be a good cover the batteries right now. Let's see. They charge it up to 3.5 hours. Alrighty. So this will be a good carry on when you travel in case of emergency. I will recommend it because it has light, the pump, and the starter. Thank you for watching.